Yeah, and you're using the brakes and the tires. The double whammy is they've reduced the maximum temperature.
That was crazy. They're like getting sparks everywhere.
Really?
Yeah. You like it?
Inform us all. We have cars back out on track for free practice 2 here at the Miami International Autodrome after the off by Carlos Sainz. Crew's doing a great job of getting the incident all cleaned up. Cars are back out. We still have a half hour to go, and that means 30 minutes to try and get underneath the 1 minute 30.964. Again, it's practice, winning practice. Bob has talked about it a lot. You really don't gain much by winning practice. You can lose a lot by trying to, and there's lots of other missions to be paying attention to. Crowd, hope you're loving it as much as we are bringing it to you here at this beautiful, beautiful venue. And Bob, while we were in that break, you got a little bit of news. We had been watching that discussion at the end of that first practice session, pretty animated between some of the engineers and Adrian Newey on Max Verstappen's car. He has not come out yet, but he is out now. But what was the deal?
Well, the reason for that was he was having a gearbox change, so that stoppage will have hurt him just as much as anybody else, but probably.
I don't know, there's something wrong. My steering is heavy.
Okay, stand by.
The steering is heavy. Right. So remember, everything in these cars is driven by hydraulics. So you do a power unit change, you do a gearbox change. Yeah. You're changing in there.
These are the only Formula cars that have power steering, and the only reason is it's almost superhuman. If the power steering were to fail, they're almost undrivable just because the amount of grip that those huge front tires generate. It would take
and the downforce, the
subjected to 5Gs.
How's the steering now, Max? Okay, fail 1, fail.